triple roll, 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 prep, triple step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, triple. From the easiest, you learn a side pass. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is a good move. Trying to get this to the rhythm really improves your dancing. 1, 2. Now I'm going to prepare her for little windows, walls. Windows, walls, triple step. She's choosing to spin. If she doesn't want to spin, even with the prep, she just won't spin. It's fine. It's your choice, ladies. We then go 1, 2, 3, and down. Look at each other. We then go 1, 2, 3, handsy around the head. 1, 2, 3, and 4, triple step. Then we went 1, 2, 3, and 4, triple prep, triple step. And then we can, if you want, throw on barrel rolls, syncopated barrel rolls, so the whole thing looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, triple step, triple step, triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, triple roll, 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 prep, triple step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, triple roll her all you want. I've been DJ John Paul. That's been the lovely Kortnee. Grab your guy, grab your girl. Let's practice. Side passes. Side passes with the little windows, walls. Let's go. Grab your guy, grab your girl.